Hey guys, Tony here, and I'm going to build a new content hub today. So content hubs are a method that we've just automated with one of our brand new tools. And I'm going to show you what the content hubs look like and why they work. Okay, and we've already got rankings for the first one that we published, but now we've been training a team to build these for us using our software and putting together the content on the web pages via some templates that we had built as well, so they look nice. So first of all, let's go and have a look what a content hub is. So you can see here, this is an affiliate marketing for CPA hub. Okay, it's built on an expired domain. This guy's quite well known. I don't know why he let his domain go there, but I grabbed it, and you can see that each part of this content hub has sections. These are all sections here on the left side. It's got a section about what you will learn, and the resources are actually articles. Okay, so this one's got 4 articles in this section. This section here's got 4, 4, 4, 3, etc. And when we click through, on a section homepage, it gives you even more information, okay? And then we can actually go and click onto the articles. Now, there's still some work to be done on these. This one is not even published publicly yet. This one is still set to no index until we have finished them. Now, the important thing here is not to wait for perfection to get started, but do your research and be clear about your topic and why you're choosing that topic before you get started. Once you've got your content hub built, what we can do then is finish it, polish it, and add things like affiliate links and your calls to action, etc. as well. Okay, let's have a look at one more. This one is for ClickBank again. Set to no index because we just started to build this. If I click on this, you can see the section homepage. If I click on the little arrow, you can see that we have got in here the article, and notice that the article has got internal links already built in. This is all done with the AI. Okay, now the AI will publish into WordPress. What we have to do once it's published into WordPress is to link over here and link here as well. Okay, so we got some links that we need to do manually. There's just no way for us to automate adding those links into these templates. Same with this one here. When you go to the home page, all of this needs to be linked once you've got your articles posted from the actual software into WordPress. And this is where we hire people to do that work for us. Okay, so now we know what a content hub is. I've got to build one. I've got some people coming in a few minutes, and they are coming specifically to build 2 content hubs for me. Okay, so we're doing 2 per day with these 2 new people, completely newbies. They've never ever done anything with internet marketing before. They know the way around a computer, so it's good enough for what we need to do, because we just need them to copy and paste and link, etc. as well. Okay, so today's topic, what I want to do for my new content hub today, the topic I want to do on is newsletters. Now you can see I'm using this keyword research tool. It's called keywordintent.io. Okay, this is one of mine, and I like it because it gives you related keywords, keywords based on related keywords for topics. Okay, for example, let me just show you. If I type in here SEO tools, okay, it'd be easier for me to show you than try to explain it. Okay, when I do a search for SEO tools, you will notice that we got a lot of keywords come back that don't have the words SEO or tools in them. We got Search Console, we got Other Suggest, we got Backlinks Checker, we got Domain Authority Checker, we got Free Keyword Research Tool, Website SEO Checker, etc. There's a whole bunch of different keywords here that are very related to SEO tools, but not necessarily with the words SEO or tools in them. Okay, so let's come back and do a newsletter again. This is why I like keyword intent. And the reason it works like this is because we're using the Google Ads API, okay? And so the search volumes are going to look bigger. Now, I'm guessing that's to do with the impressions that people are getting on average for these kind of keywords, but it's a good indication. I don't think any keyword research tool is completely accurate. This does enough for me to be able to make good decisions, and believe me, I've generated millions of hits just from the keyword research that I've done with this tool. Best part is it's free. Okay, this is free. You can use it unlimited as well, and I'm going to show you quickly how we can do that. Okay, so you can see I've typed in the word newsletter. Now, what I like to do is go to the filters and include the keyword. So I might want to put in the word for, and you can see we get some results come back. I might want to put in the word growth, and you can see no results come back, but don't worry about that one. I'll show you a little hack. If I put in the word how, you can see nothing comes back. But what if I do this instead? I put in how and newsletter, and I do the search. And now you can see, hey, we got 31 results. Okay, so you can use it in multiple different ways, and it's unlimited use. There is a premium version of this. You don't need it for what I'm showing you to do today. What we can do with this is we can dig deeper and deeper and deeper. So for example, if I was getting into newsletter growth and I was looking for affiliate programs that I could promote from my content hub about how to grow a newsletter, then I might want to put in specific information about affiliate offers that I can use. Okay, there's Sparkloop, there's Kit.com, there's Beehive, there's all these different platforms that we can tap into, and I can dig deeper using this tool. So if I'm searching for newsletter affiliate programs and it comes up with Sparkloop, for example, or Beehive or Kit.com, then I can just dig in deeper. I can dig into Beehive, for example, and see what comes up. And you can see some information comes in here as well. Now, what I'm looking for here when I'm doing this is just to get some indication of the keywords that are likely to drive most traffic. Okay. And once I've done that, then I'm going to switch over. Now, another thing that we can do is we can go and search in Google for the same keywords. Okay, I'm going to put in here. I'll put in here newsletter referral. Okay. And when I type in newsletter referral, you can see these referral programs come up. We've got Kit.com, we've got Sparkloop, Firewords, I haven't heard of that one, Miller Lights, Viral Loops is a good one as well, Beehive, etc., etc. So this can give me a lot of information. And this is using the Keywords Everywhere Chrome extension. What we can also do with this, with the Keywords Everywhere Chrome extension, is we can click on Use ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini. So click on Use ChatGPT and get an SEO report from it as well. And what we need to do when we click on that with that particular Chrome extension is the keywords that it's pulling back. Okay, so we can see here newsletter referral program 110, search volume newsletter referral 20, email newsletter referral program 10. It's not giving us a huge amount back, but we know that if we go and rank for that particular topic, then we can really expand on the amount of keywords that we can rank for. Usually, if you're ranking for one of the main keywords, you're going to be ranking for multiple others as well. Okay, so that's the beauty of the content hubs. Here's what we got going on with this. I mean, and why it's good for SEO in 2025. First of all, we're getting deep content or deep topic content. Okay, so the content is very in depth around one particular topic. So this one is about ClickBank affiliate marketing. We're covering in here about choosing the niche, and we've got all these articles about choosing the niche. Okay, we're covering in this section about product selection, and we got 6 articles on product selection. We're covering traffic generation techniques for ClickBank affiliate marketing. And we've got another 6 articles. You can see this is very, very in-depth for the topic stuff, okay? So we're able to go and take advantage of this. And I'm looking over here because I've got a second screen to keep me on track. And I had done a webinar recently for the Minisite Content Pilot. And this is what we kind of covered. I mean, the what is, we're creating a proper SEO structure. We got deep subtopic content. We're using internal linking. It's got outbound links, all automated by the software. It builds that topical authority, and also is link bait as well. People will link back to this, and also it's an opportunity to put your calls to action. So we can create some lead bait from it. We can create interactive mind maps using Notebook LM. We can use nice banners that we can put in there. We can put some sort of psychological calls to action. And if you check in the description, I'll put a link to a custom GPT that I created just a couple of days ago that creates these psychological optimized calls to action. Okay, custom GPT. The link will be in the description underneath this video, and you can go and grab that for free. Okay, and the why? Well, I got this idea from seeing backlinko.com. Brian Dean, he's one of my sort of favorite SEO guys over the past 10, 15 years. And I've been doing SEO for a long time, but I've never really seen anybody do SEO the same way as what Brian does. It seems so simple, but he puts a lot of work into the detail. He puts a lot of thought into it, and he does a lot of promotion for his content as well. He really stands behind it. One of the things he did really well was the content hubs. And you will see there's a lot of similarities to the way he worded stuff and the way that we word stuff, simply because it has worked for him. How do I know it's worked for him? Well, because he built 3. You don't build another 2 if the first one didn't work. The first one he did, I believe, was about YouTube marketing. Then he did one for SEO. Then he did another one for content marketing. You don't go and build 3 of them if they're not working. And I've already published just one, and I've already got rankings and traffic coming in from just one. Okay, I've got another 7 or 8 already done. We're just polishing them, adding featured images, checking all the internal and external links and all that kind of stuff. And those will be published over the next few days as well. Okay, so that is the why. And the value in his case, since he built 3 of them, is probably because he was getting traffic, he was getting leads from it, he was getting backlinks from it. And the user engagement signals, which are a really important part of SEO in 2025, is going to be there because people are moving from one page to another. But what if we could automate that? What if we could put audio into our content hubs, which is what we're doing with the WordPress template? You can make the article in an audio version on the same page. And even better, there is a plugin that we use that can switch from one article to the next article and continue reading all the way through. You can even make a podcast from it. You can even make an ebook from these content hubs as well. And that gives us a massive advantage, especially when it comes to the engagement signals, because if you keep people moving from page to page to page and you're connected to Google Search Console, then Google will see that and they will reward you for having really good engagement. Okay, so this is really in-depth kind of content. And, I just had to do this when, if I knew how to do it when he was first building them, I would have done it. But it's so much easier now with AI. You can do this in any topic, but it does work better if you are doing this in a topic that you know. Okay, so anyway, coming back to my idea for newsletters, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in here newsletter again one more time. And I'm going to look for opportunities what I can build my newsletter content hubs about. Okay, I'm looking for more than one opportunity because we're building 2 every single day. Okay, and what we're doing is we're putting these on exact match domains, which is why the first one got rankings so easily. Even for a keyword I thought would be a little bit more difficult. It's got no SEO done apart from what's being done with the actual Minisite Content Pilot automation from AI. Okay, it's got internal links, external links, all that kind of good stuff. But there is no backlinks. There is no other SEO being done to it. All I did is simply made it indexable, and within a few days we started ranking, okay, which kind of surprised me, but it's nice to know. But the main reason, I believe, is because we use the exact match domains, okay? So when I'm looking for opportunities here, you can see keywords like email marketing newsletter, okay? According to this, 33,100 search volume. Now, again, this is coming from Google Ads API, so it's probably a lot less if you're searching for the same keyword in other keyword tools. I believe this is based on impressions, average impressions. I could be wrong, but we'll take it as coming from Google, okay? I'm just looking for ideas anyway. I'm not looking at exact search volume. It doesn't matter to me. Okay, WhatsApp newsletter, that is very, very interesting. 22,200 search volume. That is really interesting. How competitive do you think that would be? Do you think if you created a content hub on an exact match domain, you could get traffic from that? Absolutely. That's a great idea. That's a great topic. And that might be one that I use today. Okay, let's come down a little bit more. And don't forget as well, when you're using exact match domains, you can have email marketing newsletter hub.com. Okay, you can do something like that. That's okay, as long as you still have got your keywords within that domain name. Okay, so you can just simply add the word hub for competitive keywords and you're there. Okay. But the idea here with these content hubs is we go after the exact match domains for subtopics, and we're going to build a network of them. Okay, so I've already done content hubs on subtopics like YouTube ads, single themed ad group strategy for YouTube ads. I've done for ClickBank affiliate marketing. I've done for launch tracking. I've done for there's a whole bunch of them, but they're all subtopics of internet marketing, okay? And they're all going on exact match domains. And what we're going to do is build a network of them, okay? And within that network, we're going to be getting links coming into that naturally as well, okay? So the links are going to come into each one of those individual content hubs, and they can all be linking to one place, okay? So I can make them link to an offer. I can make them link to somewhere where I'm going to be able to nurture and monetize if I want. Okay, I can send them to a sales page, for example, or to a membership. What I'm doing mostly though is I'm using viral content pilot links, and let me show you these. Okay, this is viral content pilot, and you can see that we've got a whole bunch of campaigns running in here. Let me show you how it works. So my favorite one to use is to get people to join the WhatsApp group. Okay, so if I click on the preview here, these are the links I'm going to use for the calls to action inside the content hub. And when we've got this run, I don't know why that's not opening up. Oh, it's because I've already signed up. Let me try another one. Okay, let's try this one here. Yeah, okay, this is what happens with viral content pilot. Basically, it's creating links that are call to action links, okay? So you can see here, we've got an angle in here, and it actually creates 16 different angles you can split test, okay? We've got a very short countdown here, and then we got an option to continue with Google, which is going to collect the email addresses, the real email addresses, okay? And we can just simply confirm, and that's going to redirect me to wherever I want them to go, okay? And you can see it's authenticating. Give it a couple of seconds and it will redirect to wherever I want to send them, okay? This is sending to a webinar replay that we did on how to skip landing pages and convert like crazy, okay? That's basically based around the viral content pilot. So we're going to put these viral content pilot links all over these content hubs, okay? That is going to be where we do that, where we do that. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to set up a campaign in real time, okay? So I'm going to come over into the Minisite Content Pilot, if I can find which tab I've got open here with it. And okay, to save some time, I've filled this out here. You can see there's not a lot of details needed, and this is going to create entire content hubs just like I showed you over here, where it's got all of these articles created and is going to post those articles as well into WordPress. Okay, so to be able to do that, all we need to do is fill in a few details. Okay, but there's a lot more here than what meets the eye. First, we can put in the domain. We can put in a call to action URL as well. The domain is where the Content Hub is going to be hosted. Okay, this is important because inside the prompts for the Minisite Content Pilot, we are asking the AI to basically add the internal links. So if it knows the core domain name, then it can do the / and the slug for each of those internal links, and that's able to post those internal links done for us into the Content Hub articles. Okay. Next, we got a call to action URL. So I'm using my viral content pilot link. I'm putting some basic information in here. I'll probably change this a little bit later, but just for the purpose of demo, I'll carry on. Now, the campaign topic, it doesn't have to be just 3 words or 4 words. You can go deep with this, okay? You can see I've basically told it I want to focus on newsletter growth strategies, okay? To grow newsletter subscribers with paid referral programs for rapid growth. Notice that I use the same words again and again: growth, subscribers, etc., etc. That's just to re-emphasize what this is about. Okay, number of sections you can choose. I choose 5 sections here, and we can choose the content hub type. There's lots of different ways we can create content hubs. We can have the default, which is an informational. We can do a sales journey content hub. We can do problem solution, which is what I've chosen for this. Case study content hub, trend-based, resource library content hubs. We'll be adding another 15 more over the next few weeks in here as well. Okay, now adding a writing sample, I've already done that. Find a copywriter who you like, or if you got samples of your own copy, add it in there. Okay, just copy and paste in there. What I do is I find people's emails who I read, who I think write very, very well, and I just save up, maybe 10 or 12 different emails, put them into a Google Doc, and then I can just simply copy and paste and put in here into the writing sample. Okay, very simple, very easy. And then for the special instructions, this is really, really important because we can guide the way this content hub is going to go if we do it correctly. Okay, so what I've done is I've created a special instructions custom GPT that allows me to do a lot more, okay, to get more accurate. Let me just see what I've got over here. And you can see I've got my special instructions custom GPT. If you are a Minisite Content Pilot customer, I will give this to you, okay? You can either DM myself or Stephanie inside the free WhatsApp group, the Fightback Traffic Systems WhatsApp group, and we will send you access to this. Okay, I'm just going to save this because I just built it, tested it, it's working fine, and I put that into the Minisite. So everything is ready to go. All I need to do now is generate sections and outlines, and that's going to give me the campaigns that I need. Okay, so let's have a look at what campaigns look like for those who haven't seen it. And don't forget, we're closing this forever in a few days. This is not false scarcity. I am actually going to be offering a done-for-you service, and we'll be aiming at businesses, and we'll be charging something like $700 per content hub, which is quite cheap. So it will go up in price later as well. Okay, so you can see I've got content hubs for lots of different things. I've got how to set up and run single themed ad groups for YouTube ads, stag campaigns for YouTube ads, Warrior Plus and JVZoo for affiliate contest winning strategies based on case studies from a whole bunch of contests we've won over the past year, Twitter growth and list building via Twitter ads, Bing ads for CPA affiliate marketing, etc., etc. And this just keeps getting deeper and deeper and deeper, and we keep building these out. So if we can knock out 2 per day, you can imagine that we're going to be able to build a whole network of these, okay? And this network is going to be linking to each other, and also linking to a main offer that we will put out there, probably for a membership for the Fightback traffic systems. Okay, there's a free version of Fightback traffic systems where we do a free webinar every 2 weeks, introduce a new traffic strategy. The Content Hubs was one that we did about 3-4 weeks ago. And since then, we built the tool to automate it. The next one is going to be how to use Twitter ads to grow your Twitter following or X following, and use that with giveaways to build your email list using viral content pilot links. After that, we will do something for maybe for LinkedIn, for YouTube, for TikTok, whatever. We're going to do every 2 weeks, free webinar. And those who are in the membership, well, if they pay the membership, they get invited to 2 workshops, okay, directly after the free webinar, which is always on a Sunday. Then the Monday and the Tuesday is going to be workshops, hands-on workshops. Okay, so that is all what we're basically going to be using these content hubs to link to that particular offer. I think that's what's in my mind right now. So let's come back in to see the Minisite Content Pilot, and it's done. Okay, and you can see newsletter growth. You can see it only took a couple of minutes. And we've got our overview. We got the what you'll learn. And these are the basic sections that we're going to be creating. Okay. It's all done for us. All with internal links, etc. is going to be there. And these are the sections. And inside the sections, we will have as well all the articles. This is the articles that is going to be in those sections. Okay. And all of this, very easy, just copy and paste from that point. It can be a little bit time consuming. We cannot speed that up, but the results are going to be worth it. So we're going to do it. That's why I'm starting to train a team to do this, and why I'm starting to offer this as a done for you service. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you got some value from it. Don't forget, Minisite Content Pilot is going to close in a few days. If you're on my email list, you'll probably get 1 or 2 emails maximum about the close. And once it's closed forever. I'm not opening it up for anybody after that. So you need to jump in now. And what we're going to do is use that as a done-for-you service for aimed at businesses and people who are looking for SEO services, who have got bigger budgets to spend on this kind of stuff and to get results and get traffic from search engine optimization. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this, and join the Fightback Traffic Systems WhatsApp group. It's free. The links are in the description, along with links for some free custom GPTs as well.